Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and I hope you all are doing really great. So, as you know, that 5 days AI Agents course is live, and today is day one. And on day one, many students were facing the problem of getting their billing account set up. They were facing problem in getting the $300 of worth GCP credit and publishing their app. They were mainly facing problems for publishing the app. So here I came with the solution to just make your life a little bit easier and to get you $300 worth of GCP credits free of cost. As you can see, they have mentioned it here also, that you get the free trial. For the free trial, you get $300 worth of welcome credit to spend over the 90 days. And talking about the link of this, I will give you that in the description of my video. Okay, so you will be in the free tier for the next 90 days. Make sure that you utilize this opportunity to the fullest. Now coming to the next, how can we get that? So you just have to click on start free. After clicking on start free, just click on agree and continue. And you have to wait for some time. Okay, so after this you have to again click on start free, and a QR code will be displayed on your screen. And then you have to just scan this QR code with any payment app which you want. So now choose the payment app whichever you use and scan the QR code. On scanning the QR code, you will have to select an auto pay. But attention now, this amount will not be deducted from an account. It will just an auto pay, and then when you will cancel this auto pay, it will just cancel the amount. Okay, so set up your pin and set up your auto pay. Now here comes the most important step. Just click on this view autopay option, okay, and then click on this cancel autopay to cancel your auto payment. If you will not do this, your 15,000 would be deducted every month almost. Okay, so my auto pay has been cancelled, and remember to do this step after you have received your Google credits. Okay, now that you have successfully added 300 GCP Google credits in your account, you can now publish it. I know you might be thinking why my app is looking different from the previous video. It's because just I have made it another time just to show you. Okay, so I will click on publish your app, and it would take some time to publish. Till then, wait for some time till it's get published. And yeah, I'm telling you again that remember to cancel that auto pay after you have successfully received your Google GCP $300 credits in your account, and then only cancel your auto pay. I would suggest just publish your app, okay, and then unpublish it, and then you cancel it. Okay, so till the time it's publishing, you have to wait for some time. It would take quite a bit. Now, as your app is published successfully, you can visit your app just by clicking on this link. Just click on this link and you can visit to your app. So this is another app which I have built using the same prompt. See the beauty of the prompt engineering. Everybody gives the same prompt, but everyone receives a different design of the app. Okay, so this is the app that we built. Now just remember to unpublish your app after you have viewed your app in your web browser. Just make sure that you unpublish. If you skip this step, your Google credits will be consumed and you will not be left with Google credits. So just make sure, I'm saying it again and again, just unpublish your app, but by clicking simply this unpublish button. And I hope that this solved your problem and you have successfully received the $300 of GCP credits in your account, and you have successfully published your app, tested it and unpublished it. So just like this video, subscribe my channel and hype my video for my efforts. Take care. Bye bye.